My topic is set versus act. But this topic is just for entertainment to make you more this topic more entertaining. Set versus act. There is no like general general discussion that set is better than act or act is better than set. Both are similar. Both count for your college admission. Okay, so it depends on individual whether you will give for set or act. Both are eligible for your college admission. So first I will talk on set, then act, and at the end I will just distinguish between these two. So what is set? Do you guys know the full form of set? Can you stand up and say it loudly, please? Say it loudly. Scholastic? Yeah, absolutely correct. It is scholastic aptitude test. A for aptitude. T for test. That means this test is a standardized test. That means you need to put vigorous effort. It is not the kind of test that we do in our school. It is a standardized test. Means you need to put your full effort, okay? And SAT just measures your intelligence and your aptitude, as it has been clearly written, aptitude. It is not like ACT is more like academic oriented, but this is more like your like general IQ, okay? SAT. So in SAT, there are three sections: critical reading, writing, and math section. In critical reading, so I will just write it. Three section: critical reading, writing section, and then last math. And it is 3 hours 45 minutes test. 3 hours 45 minutes test. Okay. So you are in critical and it is out of total score is out of 1,600 and minimum score you have to 2,400. You have to get minimum 1,600. Okay. It is one of the major criteria used by U.S. college to decide your financial aid and your scholarship and for further assistance during your stay in U.S. Okay. And however, depending on the colleges or university, you may have to appear for SAT or not. So critical reading. There are three sections. First sections, it takes 25 minutes. And there are three questions, like 8 sentence completion. First section, 8 sentence completion, and 4 written comprehension. And 4 written, 2 short passages, two short passages. There are total 2 short passages, and there will be 4 questions, okay, and 12 to 13 reading comprehension questions. Sentence completion means it tests your vocabulary. So you need to build your vocabulary, okay. Because in sentence completion, there will be one blank, there will be one sentence, and where one word is missing. Okay, so you need to choose from 4 which word is the most suitable. Okay, so all the words are very similar and they are very bombastic. So you have to know the meaning, definite meaning of the each and every word, so that you can probably insert into the blank. And in a passage, it's you guys might be reading the ideas, tons of ideas and opinions. So all the passages are like research and ideas and opinions of great scholars, and also great scholars, undergraduate students, and graduate students, and research students, and also kind of like a short story abstracted from the famous books like Jane Austen's books like Pride and Prejudice and The Black Beauty, right? And then the second part, again the second part, this carries 25 minutes. And the second also 25 minutes. 5 sentence completion, again same. 5 sentence completion. And 4 reading comprehension questions. Means again 2 short passages, okay? And 15 to 16 reading comprehension questions. Sorry, I can't memorize those data, so I will just read out from the laptop. And
may I interrupt you? We are here, as you know, because we had this low pressure and electrical cutout.
yeah.
Otherwise, they have prepared the presentation with television screen and everything. So now they themselves, all 4 of them, decided to do it on the blackboard and not be dependent on electricity. So that's why Kalden and the others have done it, like interpreting the computer on the blackboard. And we thank you for doing that, because we have saved a lot of time and we are safer in the program.
So 4 reading comprehension questions here. 4. Can I write? 4 reading comprehension questions. Okay. And here you will have 2 passages. Means 2 passages. It could be short, or most of the time they will be short passages, and you will ask 2 questions from these 2 passages. So total 4 reading questions and 5 sentence completion, and also 15 to 16 reading comprehension questions. And here you will have 2 long passages. Here 2 short passages, and here 2 long passages. So, you know, many students used to say critical reading is very difficult because the essays, the passages are not very easy. You know, even though first thing is that you cannot comprehend it very properly if you don't have reading habit, okay. And the second thing is the questions are not direct like that of TOEFL. Like there won't be like questions, what is, they won't be like what implies, kind of implication and main idea, and the questions are quite tough. So you have to, if you cannot go deep into the passage, then you cannot answer the questions. So that's why critical reading section is quite difficult. So you need to put more effort in this section. And third part, 20 minutes, okay. You will have 6 sentence completion and 13 reading comprehension question, okay. And here you will have pair long passage. Means that there will be 2 passages, pair means pair 2 passages, okay. And then you will have questions. If you want to go in detail, then you can just refer set manuals. Here you will see all of these kind of this whole scheme you will find on that book. Okay. So this is about critical reading. Are you clear?
Yes.